work for Ontario Northland.
Smile, Randy. Tell Randy to stand up.
Tell him not to unscrew him.
Oh, yeah. So apparently there should be a thing around one of the little spokes.
This is how they had to get in.
Is there one here? Oh,
No, that's
Look at
that's stuck.
stuck.
oh,
This is stuck. See, there's a mark on this for some reason.
Oh, I wonder why. Engine room gone. Oh, the ears are right on that. Oh, that's cool. Oh.
there's the
Oh, the
search light.
pedal.
Yeah, we better not break it.
Oh, that's me, but I just blew it up.
No, you didn't.
But this is some kind of a lock, I think.
I'm stuck. Why do you do that?
That's ringing a bell down in the engine room, man.
She's hard
This
to
is?
optimize.
Yeah.
Like, she's pretty bad. Like, even, like, it's pretty basic. Like, there's
Yeah,
no,
there's nothing.
I was thinking we were going on like a passenger ship.
No, this is like, this would be a tug.
Yeah, like a,
Yeah, like a workboat.
yeah.
Yeah.
I know.
Who's blowing in the pipe?
Oh, yeah.
Who was blowing in the pipe?
Where's Dad's?
What
Okay.
pipe?
Oh, I don't know.
Get a picture of everybody.
It just does it every once in a while.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I think it does.
Where the wheel?
No, she won't go.
No, no, I made a picture.
Yeah.
It's not an ocean. Yeah.
There's some kind of a lock on this.
It wouldn't be that rough. So this is like a cargo.
Yeah. That's what he said. It wasn't a passenger boat, it was a cargo boat. Look at the chair, eh?
Because I thought I was going on that. The original stairs and the door.
We can go down that way. Look at steam rudder, eh?
I bet you this old girl has seen some bad weather.
Oh, I bet you it has. Cool. Well, they ran through the briars and they ran through the brambles, I heard. Yeah, rabbit couldn't go.
It broke steel pipe. That figured out.
Oh. Have a way, Brad. Go ring the bell. Give that big old bell a ring. Right here. This big old bugger. Give it a flip on the handle. Yeah, don't climb over that.
This must be what they turn the rudder with, right?
No, that'd be the winch for pulling her into the dock.
Oh, right, yeah.
What's your head, man?
Yeah, the paddle wheels are on the other end.
Be for sucking cargo in this way, like another boat or whatever.
Only Dale's boat here had a deep thing in here that would crank her right into shore.
Yeah. I'd like to find that whistle where that's going off at.
It runs it actually, but it's zero anymore.
That boat was built in Michigan, right there. Chris Craft.
Right there? Wyatt Earp.
That boat. That's a wooden Chris Craft.
Dave,
They were born just outside of, across the river from Sarniash.
Dave knows a guy that
Oh, yeah.
does this, he restores.
Keith Evans used to live one of these.
Yeah, yeah. Peter Breen is the guy that Dave knows that restores them.
Monkey rudders.
We are not to go under near, let's say climb, like you're not to go in there.
Oh, now you tell me.
Let's go in here.
Imagine the upkeep on this boat.
Oh,
Dave, remember Keith Evans used to have.
yeah.
Look at here.
Oh,
She scraped a bit.
they're very sought after. Flathead 4.
I think of JFK and Jackie O.
Yeah.
In white.
And her with her big glasses.
Yeah. And her maybe
Dressed in white.
with one of those thin scarves tied
Yeah.
around
Oh, yeah, of course.
maybe blue and white.
And great big sunglasses.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I bet you there's been days that the guys that was on this thing didn't.
Biggest truck stop in the world, Iowa 80 truck stop. What'd she say? Oh, awesome. Yeah.
Okay, maybe Neil. Why am I not, why is it not coming up?
Nope.
No. What are you looking for?
They got an app for Samsung. That's an iPhone, right?
Well, whose phone is that? I don't know, it's not, it's Scott's.
Oh, you can't do it.
Oh, I could have did it with my phone, because I have a tag thing.
No, it says app available on the apps.
Yeah, here, just take this.
Hey,
Take it with you. Try it, come on.
here,
This is cool.
I'm gonna check Dad's phone. What? Please take it. Let me see that one.
Are you recording?
I don't. Oh, here. Yeah. Well, let's go. Oh, cute little international.
All you wanna have to do is scan this.
Holy, that thing's old.
There, all right. I don't know how you get the scanner.
Here, we don't care. We don't want it. We're not gonna stand there in front of them. Want to hear all the history on it.
So which way we headed?
Which way did everybody else go?
I think they went that way.
Well, we'll go
So
that
is
way.
it your dad's going this way?
Look at
Yeah,
the
we'll
old.
go this way
Look
then.
at the Coca-Cola truck.
Oh, straight full of Coke. Mm-hmm. Wait, balloon?
She's chain drive.
Look at the Coke lid.
Oh, haha.
Think we can have one?
Guess I didn't bring camera. Not that it matters anyway. That's quite a looking old balloon.
Yeah, whatever. Caterpillar. Quite the float.
Look at the lights on the back, they're gas.
Crazy.
Is that a guillotine? That looks like
Oh, look
a
at-
guillotine.
White crew cab.
The record. Yeah, he's got some. Oh, look at the skis.
The Ford Ace snowmobile.
That was 25 miles an hour. Bet you that was scary.
See, the tires are old because they're white. They didn't have the carbon put in them yet.
Oh, okay.
They wouldn't last very long. Oh, look at that.
It was top speed for it was 50 miles an hour. I guess it's a train. It takes 2 years to restore one of our trucks.
This was built to travel around the United States and test public scales.
It says low battery, I think, Neil.
I should have brought my other battery. Well, yeah.